So just testing the volume levels with me holding the beacon down at about waist height to see how it looks and how it sounds as I step away from the hover, and then as I come back closer to it again as I'm moving around. Testing the hover's zoom out function out to 9 meters and rising. And now it's on its way back in. Throwing an orbit at 6 meters. I didn't look to see if there was anything in the way, so hopefully there's not. So now we should have the drone going along in front of me. As I turn, it should turn too and come with me to the left and back to the right again, I guess. Hopefully the beacon is picking up the audio from me. And let's see if we can get it to return to base. Looks to be working. Now we're going for a slightly higher track, but still reasonably close as I wander around, see how it's looking. Okay, now we'll go for a further distance out, which is what we'll be after. So you should now have it following me from a distance. As I have a bit of a wander around. This is cool. And while I've got the microphone down at my waist, hopefully it's picking it up, my voice up. And hopefully if I stop, it should come back in. Dolly zoom at 0.8 meters. Dolly zoom at 2 meters. (15-meter) zoom out and a rise. See what we're looking at, which appears to be a Glastonbury Hall and some trees. And that's not a bad view by the look of it. Still not getting omni-terrain on the beacon, but anyway. Might be going to struggle a bit in the wind here, but we'll see how we go. That looks pretty spectacular. I'd like to be able to change the height to a bit higher, but maybe I can do that on the phone now.